Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an FAQ page on your Wix website. Having a dedicated FAQ section is incredibly useful for answering common customer questions and reducing support inquiries. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log in to your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, locate and click on Site and Mobile App. This will trigger a drop-down selection to appear, giving you access to your website management options. From this drop-down, you can preview the website settings you currently have in place. Take a moment here to make sure that this is the correct website where you want to add your FAQ page. It's always good to double-check, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Once you've confirmed you're working on the right site, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next stage. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens and where you'll build out your FAQ page. From here, start by locating the Pages and Menu button on the left navigation panel of your editor screen. Click on it and the Pages and Menu section will expand, showing you all the current pages on your website. From this expanded menu, locate the Add New Page button on the bottom part. This is where we'll create our FAQ page. Click on it and an Add Page dashboard will appear, presenting you with sample web page templates you can choose from. For maximum flexibility, simply use the blank page option to add in your full content from scratch. Once the page is added, click on Pages and Menu again, find your newly created page, and rename it to FAQ. This keeps everything organized and easy to locate. Now, to add an extra step and make this FAQ page easily accessible, we'll be adding a link to it in your footer. Scroll down to your footer section on your website. Simply select a sample text block element to stick with the uniform format of your site, then type in FAQ. Now, click on the link icon at the top and the link menu will appear. From the radio button options, select Page. Under the Which Page drop-down menu, look for and select the FAQ page we just created. This creates a direct link from your footer to your new FAQ page, making it super convenient for visitors to find answers quickly. And that's it. You've successfully created an FAQ page on your Wix website and linked it in your footer for easy access. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.